Christmas is full of gifts that just don't matter. Plastic toys that break in a week, gadgets that get forgotten in the junk drawer, things bought just so we can say we bought something. But there's one gift almost nobody talks about. It's the gift that only one that can understand can save a life. A radio, not just a walkie-talkie, a lifeline. A radio is a gift that matters when everything else stops. Ask the family stranded in an ice storm who reached for help through GMRS. Ask the tornado survivor whose HT cut through while cell phone towers lay twisted in the debris. Ask the wildfire evacuees whose warning didn't come from a phone, but from a ham operator monitoring traffic. We treat ham radio like a hobby, but it's really an insurance policy. Your kids don't need another video game. They need capability. Your spouse doesn't need another sweater. They need connection. And that's why today's video is sponsored by Gigaparts. Guys, Gigaparts.com, because they're one of the few companies out there still putting quality radio equipment into people's hands. Whether it's a First HT, a GMRS mobile for the vehicle, or the same HF rig sitting in my shack, Gigaparts has radios that actually matter when things go wrong. This Christmas, don't buy clutter, buy capability. Go to gigaparts.com, use coupon code HamShackTV. You're going to get double rewards points. And if you buy ICOM or Yaesu, you get quadruple rewards points. Because somewhere this winter, roads will ice over, towers will fail, storms will hit, someone won't be able to call for help. And when that moment comes, all the toys, decorations, and stocking stuffers mean nothing. But a $30 HT or a $100 GMRS radio or an HF station on the desk can stand between panic and action, between helplessness and hope. Christmas has become about comfort, but the greatest gifts were always about responsibility. So this year, if you want a gift that truly matters, give someone the ability to communicate. Teach them how to use a radio. Get them licensed. Use Ham Radio Prep, hamradioprep.com, and coupon code HamShackTV. 10% off. Put power under the tree, not plastic. Because the only Christmas gift that actually saves lives is connection. And someone you love might need it sooner than you think. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the shack. And give gifts that matter. Guys, I can't thank y'all enough. Appreciate y'all watching. Go check out Gigaparts, guys. Computers, radios, maker supplies, 3D printing. You name it, they've got it. Toys, whatever. Gigaparts is a great place, guys. Go check them out. Great supporters of HamShackTV, and I appreciate them. HamShackTV is your coupon code for double rewards points. We'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 690.